Hey there, Stampers. My name is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Canada, and I am so excited to be here to share with you this month's class in the mail. It features the beautiful Poinsettia Place suite from the August to December holiday catalog, and this suite is gorgeous. I've been a demonstrator for over 15 years, and I don't believe I have ever purchased a poinsettia set that Stampin' Up! Has released, but this one just jumped out at me, and just the versatility and the possibilities with this set just, I don't know, drew me in. So I've got 4 different options for you for this month. So option 1 is the I Want It All option. So that option is basically if you want this entire collection of products, and I'll share those products with you in a minute. Now, if you have already purchased some of these products, then you can choose to purchase $128.50 in product, and it can be any product at all. As long as you're using the class host code, then you'll still get the card kits for this. Okay, so this is the class host code. I will have it in the description below as well, and I'll bring it back in. I'm just going to slide it out of the way so I can share the products with you. So the entire suite, so the I Want It All option, includes the Poinsettia Petals bundle, which is this stamp set and the poinsettia dies. It includes the beaded pearls. These are gorgeous centers for the poinsettias. A spool of this real red sheer ribbon, a package of the plush poinsettia specialty DSP, and a package of the Poinsettia Place Designer Series paper. So here's a little look at this Designer Series paper. It's so pretty, and then you flip it over and look how pretty it is. I love it. I've done so much with it. It's so beautiful. Okay, so that's the I Want It All option. So you would order that online from my website using this host code. This will ship direct to you from Stampin' Up! From me, you'll receive a package that includes all of this, which is the supplies to create 8 cards. So normally it includes the supplies to create 6 cards, 2 each of 3 different designs. However, you will get a bonus with this option of 2 slimline cards, and wait until you see these slimline cards. They are beautiful. You are going to love them. All right, in addition to that, you'll get an email with a PDF that includes measurements, photos, and the links to the videos that show you how to put together each one of these projects. Okay, so that is your best deal right there, is the I Want It All option. Remember, you can choose to purchase this suite using the suite product number on page 15 of the holiday catalog. This is it there. It's $128.50 plus shipping and tax. Or you can purchase $128.50 before shipping and taxes of product using this host code, and that will count as well. Okay, it's really important that you use that host code. Okay, option number 2 includes the following supplies. So if this is a great option if you already own this bundle. So you will get half a package of the Poinsettia Place DSP, so half a package, and if I need to ship this to you, it will be cut down to 6 by 12. Half a package of this gorgeous plush Poinsettia Specialty DSP. Again, if it needs to be shipped, it'll be cut down to 6 by 12. The beaded pearls and the spool of real red ribbon. The cost for this is $55 plus $10 for shipping. And in your package, you'll receive the supplies to create the 6 cards, so 2 each of 3 different designs. You'll also get an email with a PDF with the measurements, photos, and the links to all the videos showing you how to make the cards. In that PDF, there'll also be some alternates as well. So with this option, you don't get the bonus slimline cards. All right. Option 3. Now this option is great for any of you who are outside of Canada. I cannot ship product to anyone outside of Canada. So if you are outside of Canada and you want to participate, you can purchase the tutorial for $20. And I will have a link to that tutorial in the description below. And then the 4th option is for my Treasure Stampers team. So my Treasure Stampers always get my class in the mail tutorials absolutely free. However, If they want me to pre-cut kits for them, I will do so for the cost of $15. So if you're in Canada and you're considering being a demonstrator, that would be a great option. You know that you'll always get the tutorials for free, and you can even have the card kits sent to you as well. All right, I will post a link to the Join Now button on my website in the description below if that's something that interests you. If you have questions on becoming a demonstrator, I'd be happy to answer those. All right, so I hope that, oh, I was going to share a quick peek at the cards. Let me do that. All right, so it will be a very quick peek. Okay, so here's a quick peek at the 3 cards. Remember, you get 2 each of those 3 designs. And then a really quick peek at the slimline. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Remember that slimline card? You get that with the option 1 I Want It All bundle. All right. Deadline to register is November 14th. So it's a quick turnaround. You're going to want to register right away. All the links to everything will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.